If you're looking for an amazing digital voice recorder with playback, you're going to want to check this out. It even comes with a 64 gig TFF card, which is awesome. So this is exactly what it looks like. You're going to get this charger with it, and you also get a pair of headphones. You could listen back to it. So literally all you got to do here, you're right down here. You're going to put that on just like that. You'll see it's going to give you this little welcome. You could have music. And if you want to record, you literally just hit this button right here. It says, please wait. And then it says it is recording. You can see right there, which is really, really nice. And then you just want to hit stop right here. It's great. And it says it's saved. And then if you want to play it back, please wait. And then it says it is recording. You see it just plays back just like that. You have the volume buttons over here, and you got this fast forward as well. So really, really nice. If you're looking for a great voice recorder, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over. So you just